Welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix notifications on not working after update iOS 17. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, scroll it down, and what you need to do is turn off DND mode, and after that go back and open your setting, and from here scroll down and click on notifications, and from here scroll down. From here what you need to do is turn on this toggle allow notifications so all app, and after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then click on general, and from here scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone, and click on reset, and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode, and after that click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open again setting, and from here scroll down and click on general, and from here scroll down and click on shutdown, and slide to power off, and after few minutes you have again turn it on, and after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you need to do it click on setting and click on Wi-Fi, and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the 30 second you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode at least the 30 second you have turned it off, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.